That is the sump plug. The oil starts flowing out. Track gravel. Oh man, this is all going very badly now. Plugs. Don't know if I'm able to deal with it. Look how gangster these bits are. It's leaking, it's leaking. Don't worry, that's not going in. Finally, I know it's been a while. The oil gets hot. Driving around normally it's fine. When you start driving enthusiastically, it does start to get hot. Sit back and watch me work. Okay, it's my first time working underneath here, so let's see what we've got in store for us. Okay, track gravel. Haha. That is the sump plug. Looks like it's the original one from 20 years ago. Okay. Okay, I've ordered a replacement one of these. It'll be here tomorrow. So for now I'm just gonna plug the hole with the old one. Whew. Gross. So now you know how much oil stays in the system when you actually just drain it out the drain plug. That's why it's always dirty as soon as you turn the key. Every day is a school day. Oh, why did I do that? Oh, look where it is. Convenient. Got these super high-tech plugs, kitchen towel wrapped in plastic wrap. Two of them, very high-tech solutions to very high-tech problems. It's the exact same screw as in the other side. I'm impressed. There we have it. Here's your problem. It's not exactly the largest oil cooler in the world. What are we going to do about that? Stay tuned, because you're about to find out. Oh! Oh my goodness. Look at this thing. What? That is insane. Oh man. Woo-wee. Can you believe this thing? Oh man, just look at the size of it compared to this tiny little thing. Look at that. Look at the thickness. What? And then the height as well. It's like 4 times the size almost. Yes, please. Get in. Get right in. Look at these bad boys. Let's go. At least it's got bolt holes and then just slots right in. The bolts that I have now are going to be way too short. Dang it. I thought this was going way too smoothly. Ha! It's definitely long enough. And I think it's about the same diameter. I don't know how I can be so lucky. But that'd be amazing if they work. Oh! It just fell. Landed on my ribs. Thanks for making the hooks, but they're in the wrong place. This needs to be a little bit longer or slightly further that way. I mean, I can try and bend it.
Hi, Dad.
Hello. Third time lucky. What's up?
I brought your tea, but whenever you're ready. Sorry. Just thought I'd come say hi.
Got one of both of them in at the same time. It's a lot of work. Guess you must be tired of me always saying it's a lot of work. Everything's always a lot of work. Okay, it's finally held in by the clips and lined up. So put the long screws in. Nice and tight. Nice. Okay, so the long one is the bottom one, which goes on the right hand side. It's the return. Ha! I was trying to order a replacement oil filter, and for some reason there seem to be multiple oil filters for this car. I don't know any of these things, man, so I thought the best thing to do would be to remove the oil filter that's in here, have a look at it, and then at least when I order one I can see if it looks the same. So I'm gonna do that now. Oil everywhere already. Hello. Thank you.
Thank you.
Made in Bosnia, yes. Ha! Applying some oil to the ring. New oil filter. While I'm waiting for the sump plug to arrive, I'm going to tackle this. Come with me. So this has always been like that since I've had the car. If you come around to this side where the Drive Tribe sticker is, that was actually like that when the sticker was put on. If you go back and watch the episode, you can actually notice it. So I'm gonna try and fix that today, the dodgy driveway mechanic style. Boom. Aha. One down, one to go. And they're just rectangular plates, nothing fancy, steel I guess, but they're so rusty. And then I took them off. I thought, I could probably find new ones. New ones are £80 each. Yeah, and then I found second-hand ones for like £40, and they're still rusted anyway. So I just bought, I spent some time grinding the loose rust off, and I bought this like a prep stuff. It's this purple stuff you paint on, and then you paint it straight onto rust, and then you can paint over it apparently. These are my refurbished plates. This coating seems really nice on them. These still work, they're still very solid. They're going back on the car. The bolts, super rusty. Those are the nuts, so these are obviously replaced when they did the exhaust. 8 new stainless steel bolts and washers. So these things need to get a little bit of copper compound on, I think, just for the heat and the rust. Ah, these nuts never had washers on. Of course it probably needs a washer, so Luckily I've got a few extras. Nice. Special delivery just arrived and it's going straight into the M3. That's a lot more oil. Oh no! Oh, this box is leaking. I was not expecting that much oil. Crap. That's not good. Oh no! Why is the one that I've taken out so much smaller than the one I got? Seriously, this is much bigger. Oh, why does that always have to happen? Now I have to wait another indeterminate amount of time before I can find the right part. The fun never stops. Hey, magnetized. Take a bigger cloth this time. Let's see if it drains any more out the third time. Oh my goodness. Oh no. A crap load. I don't know why I thought there wouldn't be any more oil. It's unbelievable. Take a drop of this, all the oil, and put it on the washer. And take another drop and put it all over the threads. It's going to add like 5 horsepower because it's got a racing sub plug now. It's the only one I could find that was going to fit in the hole over a weekend. Time to put in the oil. I got 6 liters. I hope it's enough because a lot came out multiple times. So I'm going to give it a go. Getting the last few drops of oil in there, and I'm so excited to get this thing started again. Although honestly I'm very nervous. If I've made any mistakes, it's going to cost me a whole lot of oil. Hopefully it all works well. Hopefully the oil cooler works. Hopefully I've done it all properly. The last few drops of this, and then I guess we'll find out soon enough. Quick oil check. Okay, it's over full, which is good. That's incredible. It'll still start and run without the MAF and TPS. Start it again. No, now the EML's still on. Oh, it's leaking, it's leaking. Damn it. I'm in there. Oh no. Oh. It can never be easy. It can never just work. Nope. No, it can never just work. Now I've got an EML light on because I started with the plugs not plugged in because I'm an idiot. I've got an oil leak. The aluminium's clean, so it's leaked from behind the plate, which means it's the O-rings. The O-rings that hold the whole thing together aren't sealing properly, which sucks. I mean, it was tight. Sounds like it was loose. Oh, washer didn't want to come off, and then of course when I wasn't watching, then it came off. That O-ring's way too small. I just been to the shop, bought some O-rings that I think will fit. Well, I bought a whole set and then I selected out. So this is the one that was on there, tiny little thing, and these are two much thicker. Let's see if they're the right size to fit in there, and we'll give it another crack, shall we? Why does it leak so much out? Oil out now everywhere. Okay, back in. Come on. Would you want to go to your home? Stop leaking oil all over the driveway. Almost made a big mistake. That's why I didn't go in. I didn't remove that one first. Now we clean up all the oil. Try it again. So I walked away for a little while. I don't know if you can see it nicely, but there's fresh oil leaking out. So I don't know if the O-rings I put in don't fit, or if I fitted it in correctly now. So I'm gonna have to take it off again. Okay, so you can see it like collapsed the O-rings. They pinched. They didn't go all the way in. So I'm going to have to try some smaller ones. Selected these two, which are slightly smaller but still quite thick. So we'll try them. This is the original. So hopefully those will work. Put it on there. Oh, I've got a good feeling about these ones. Slides on there really tight. Please let this be the last time now. Okay, I'll put it all back together. Airbox on, MAF sensor, GPS sensor. I'm gonna probably have to reset codes, but I'm gonna start it again and see if we have any more oil leaks. Ah, EMF sensor lights off. Sweet. Clean now, it's not leaking out there anymore. This part finally arrived, the water valve pump thing. I ordered it from somewhere in Eastern Europe and it got stuck in customs for ages, but I've got it now. It doesn't look great. It's got the spray that's been sprayed on it, and I'm gonna fit it to the BMW and hopefully it works. These popped off really easily, so okay, so it's ice cold and there's like a drop on the dipstick. Definitely needs more. That was the 6 liters I put in, so I had to go and buy more, of course. Bought another 5 liters so that I don't run out again. So I'll put some of this in and then we'll check the temperature again according to the procedure. Let engine warm up, then idle for at least 15 seconds. Turn engine off, wait 1 minute, check oil level using dipstick. Okay, it's got water, it's got oil. Still low. I'm gonna put some more oil in. 1, 2, 3 more liters left. Yeah, so 6 plus 2, if my maths isn't wrong, is 8. Let's let it cycle through. I love how this thing just ticks over every time. bottom of the car, which is a good thing. Might be too soon to say, but I think it's going to work this time. Now I've just got 8 liters in. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to put a little bit more in, I guess. I don't want it just to be just above the minimum. I want it to be on the maximum, I suppose. Okay, so 8.5 liters now. And a little more for luck. Now I guess for a test drive.
Okay.
Still going to gear. There we go.
Feels nice.
It does. Oh goodness. All those all of the lights have come on now.
Oh my gosh.
Temperature's staying at 75 now. It doesn't feel like it's getting warm in the car anymore either.
No.
Yes! We fixed something. We broke something else, but we fixed something.
Like my feet aren't overheating.
Yay! Look at that. Look at it. Just have to figure out what's happened with all those lights coming on, because that's never happened before.
Captain Milky Beard knows what he's doing.
Not really. If I knew these lights wouldn't be on. Oh, the wheel's slowly starting to warm up now. 80 degrees. On the idle now, it's almost at 100.